Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey everyone! Today, we're drawing and coloring 6 popular sports balls. Let's make them vibrant and fun. To start, let's divide our paper into 6 equal boxes so each ball has its own space.
Okay.
In the first box, I draw a circle for the baseball. Add 2 curved lines across the ball for the stitching, and draw small lines along them to create the stitches.
Pew, 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 pew.
Next, let's draw a soccer ball. Draw a circle, and then add hexagons and pentagons to form the pattern. For the basketball, draw a circle and then add 2 intersecting curved lines that go across the ball. In the bottom left, draw a circle for the volleyball. Add curved lines to create sections across the ball to give it a realistic look.
Okay. Pew, 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 pew.
For the tennis ball, draw a circle and add 2 curved lines that follow the shape of the ball. Finally, draw a circle for the cricket ball. Add a curved line across the ball and small stitching details along the line.
Nice.
Ciao, ciao. Meow, 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 meow.
Now it's time to color.
Nice.
Baseball, I use silver for the ball.
Nice.
So cute.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Hi.
I use background color is magenta.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
So cute. Yes. Hi.
Nice.
Soccer ball, color some of the shapes in black and leave others white.
Nice.
For the background I use blue.
Oh, nice. Wow.
Basketball, I use an orange color for this. For background, I use color light green.
Nice.
Cool. Volleyball, I use brown here.
Oh, nice.
For background, I use yellow.
Nice.
Okay.
Tennis ball, green for the ball and white for the lines. I use for the background maroon.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Cricket ball, red for the ball with black stitching.
Yes. Hi.
For this background, I put here brown.
Wow. Nice.
Wow! I use a black marker to outline everything and make it look sharp. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring balls. Don't forget to subscribe with me on YouTube using Tiny Hands Art. And as always, hit that like button if you had fun, subscribe for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video. Bye!